Hi everyone, this is Aruna, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. So in this video, I'm going to explain about the various MongoDB operations. So usually it will have the 4 operations that we can call it as a CURD, that is C-U-R-D, CURD operation. So normally we can say like that, CURD is nothing but create, update, R for read, the D for delete. So these are the 4 type of an operation can be used under the MongoDB. So Mongo shell. So first let us see one by one. For that, first we have to open the command prompt. So in the command prompt, already I installed the MongoDB over here. So in the command prompt, just you can give the so here I have to give become I think. So here I have to give Mongo. So MongoD. So if I give the MongoDB, the server is executor. After completing the server, I have to execute the client machine that we have to use the Mongo. So now we have to create a database. So how we can create a database? So for that, we have to use the command called use. So after that, you have to give the DBMS, that is data. I'm going to give the database. So now it will have the thing as a database. So my database name is a database. So now it can be switched to database. So there you have to see, is there any collections, means you have to give the show collections. So if it is give, is there any collections, means it will be displayed. Otherwise, it will be simply the thing. If I have to show the what type of a databases are that, so it will shows the what type of a database is currently presented over there. So the previously I created a DBMS one, now that is over here. Now I created that thing is called a database. Is it clear? Next, so how we can create a collections. So here, normally in your SQL, we are saying a table. Here we can call it as a collection. So here, along with the inserting the data itself, we can able to create a collection. So for that thing, we have to use this command db dot. After that, my collection name, that is my collection name is student. Student is my collection name dot, and also what type of a record I'm going to insert. Either it will be a one record or a many record. Now I will show you only one record. So I have to give insert. O is a capital letter because it is a case sensitive. So O to be a capital letter, insert 1. So after that, I have to open the braces. After that, I have to open the curly braces. In that, I'm going to give my name as Aruna. So it is a string, so you have to give it in the double quotes. That is Aruna. After that, I'm going to give my age. So my age is 35. This is a number you can give separately. Comma, I am belonging to which department? That I am going to give it as a department. Department, it is a string, so you have to give it in the double quotes. So after giving all the attributes and their value, you have to close the floor braces. And also one more. So after that, you can give the insert. So after inserting the thing, it will shows the acknowledgement measures. So that acknowledgement message that contain, it is true. True means the record is inserted in that particular collection. After that, the object ID is created for that particular record. So through this a particular object ID, we can able to, by using an object ID, we can able to easily find where my record is available. For that only a unique object ID is created for each and every record. So this is the way we can able to insert a one record. If I want to insert a many record, the same keyword can be used, same command can be used, that is db dot my collection name. My collection name is student dot. Here I am going to insert many. So here M is a capital letter. So that is insert many. So here I'm going to open the floor braces. Here I have to use this square bracket. So here I'm going to insert the many record. For closing the thing, opening the thing, I'm going to use the square bracket. After that, I'm going to open the curly braces. So inside the curly braces, I already created the field. That is the name as a, no, I'm going to give, it is in a double quotes. The name is spelling mistake. You have to give it correctly. Otherwise, it will show some error. So it will, I'm going to give the name. So what is the next record? That is, sorry, next attribute is age. So here it is a number. So simply I'm going to give the thing, comma. The next one is a department. So department is belongs to which thing? Here I'm going to give agree. These are double quotes. So after closing the braces, one record is completed. Again, you have to give comma, open the curly braces. Next, give the another record. So my name, N-A-M-E, name. So here I'm going to give Bonu. Bonu is my name. I'm going to give the age. Age is a number. So you have to directly give, after colon, you can give the name, comma. The next one is department. Department, you have to give it in double quotes. That is here, I'm going to give it in a FT. So check it out. Is there any spelling mistake? That you have to check. Also, if there is any comma, it will does not produce true acknowledgement. So it will shows the error where the error is available. Now we have to close the square bracket. After that, you have to close the main bracket. So this is the way we can able to insert the many records. Click enter. So it is created. So how many records are that? 2 records. The 2 object ID is created and our acknowledgement statement is true. Now how we can view this record? So here you can able to view this record by 2 ways. That is db dot your collection name. Collection name is student dot find. If I give find, means, sorry, some error is there. So you have to give close brace. So it will have the 3 records over here. So it will be shown like this. If I want to give the record one by one, for that you have to give dot pretty. The same statement, P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. If I give pretty, so it will be displayed like this. One by one record. So it will have what is the subject ID, name, age, and then it is a second record. This is the way we can able to find the record. If I want to find a single record, so if I want to find a single record over here, so inside the find, I have to search the what type of a record I need. So for example, here I'm going to give the I'm going to give in terms of department. Department, I'm going to give the IT. What type of an IT department? I'm going to list down what are the records available under the department called IT. So for that, I have to close this braces, close this thing. So it will have the only one thing. So after that, if you gone to give pretty also, your data will be displayed. Here I have searched only one record that is belongs to IT department. So that will be displayed like this. So this is the way we can able to insert our record and also how we can search the record in that particular collections. So this is a thing. For inserting the thing, there is a 2 ways. One is insert one, another one is insert many. If you want to find or search the record, you have to use find. If you want to display the record one by one, you have to use the keyword called as a pretty. So this is the way we can insert and find the records in the particular table. The next thing is how we can update the record, because already I have added so many data sets inside that particular collection. If I want to update something, for that we have to use the keyword called as update. So db dot, my collection name is student. Student is my collection name. So student dot, here I have to update. So for that, I'm going to use the update keyword. So after that update, I am going to open the thing. So open the floor braces. Which thing? First, before updating the data, first we have to search the record. For which data set we're going to update the data. Here I'm going to update the record for Aruna. I'm going to change the age as a 35 to 36. So for that, first I'm going to search my name. So by using in the name, here you can use primary key. Primary key means there is a unique key assigned for that particular sets. So for here I'm assuming that my name is a primary key. So that I'm going to give colon. Which name? I'm going to change the age for Aruna. So that record. After that, you have to colon close the braces, comma. Here you have to set the value. Is it right? So for that, we have to open the claw braces. You have to put dollar symbol. After that, you can put the set. So what type of a thing can be set? So you can set the open braces. You have to set the age. Age, how much we going to set? So already it will have a 35. Now I'm going to change it to 37. So that I'm going to give close all the braces. So now all the braces is closed. So see here, right result. What is the right result means? Updation done. So yeah, there one record is matched and also modified. Modified means changed. So that will shows the changes. How many data sets can be changed by using this thing, we can able to identify. So if you want to see that thing, we can use the find. By using the find keyword, we can able to see. So previously see here it is a 35. Now it can be changed to 37. So this is the way we can able to update the particular collections inside the collection data. We can be able to update. Now how we can able to remove the thing, or you going to delete the thing? The same process, db dot collection name student dot. Here we have to use the keyword called as remove. Remove. Inside the remove, I'm going to search what type of a record I have to remove. For example, I'm going to give the remove name. I'm going to remove the record of Anu. For that, I'm going to searching the name. So inside the thing, I am going to remove the record of Anu's record. So if I want to give like this, so it will, after entering the thing, the right result. One record is removed. So what type of a record is removed? We can check by using a find. See here, this is my previous thing. This is my next thing. So Anu, I already given the command as Anu, that will be removed over here. So this is the way we can able to perform the CURD operation by using a MongoDB. If you want any help, any command, do you have any doubt in the particular command? So you have to use the thing called as a db.help. If you want to give like this, so it will shows the what type of methods and what is the thing over here is generally they're going to give like this. If I want to give db dot, simply give help. So inside the help, what other thing is available, it will be shown like this. So this is the way how we can able to perform the CURD operation by using a MongoDB. Thank you for watching my video. So I think it is very useful for you. Please watch my upcoming video. In that, I'm going to explain about the how it can be used by using a Python. So because we can able to connect this thing with the Python also. There we have to insert the Python shell. That I'm going to explain it in my next video. Thank you for watching my video.